Namaste, welcome to Arthaniti. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of nomination. This is one aspect in our investment journey which most of us overlook at the time of investment. Why? Because nomination can be done or changed anytime. So why do it then when you are investing your money? Well, it is absolutely necessary that you do not overlook this aspect at the time of investing. Why am I saying this? Why am I stressing so much on a nomination or a person to be nominated to the investment? Why is nomination necessary? Well, in case of an untimely death of an account holder or a deposit holder or an investor, the near and dear ones, the immediate family members, are in a way dealing with the loss of a loved one. Add to it the hassles and the long process that they have to go through to claim the investments, to settle the accounts, is a lot cumbersome. To save your immediate family members from these hassles and to see to it that they get the proceeds that you have saved for your life as well as their life, they get those proceeds hassle free. It is very, very necessary that you make nominations in your investments and accounts. Now, who can be nominated? Normally, first family members are nominated to the accounts, be it your parents or your siblings or your spouse. Your children are normally the people who are nominated to your investments. Now, it is not necessary that you nominate only a single person. You can nominate more than one person and specifically mention the percentage that you wish to give to each nominee. Right? If you have not specifically given the percentages, the proceeds in your accounts or your investments will be equally divided amongst the nominees. Right? So if you have two nominees and you have written 50-50 as the percentage, the proceeds will be divided among them in the percentage given. If you have not mentioned the percentage, the bank or the investment company will divide equally among the number of nominees that you have mentioned in your investments. Correct? Now, nomination, in case you do not nominate someone to your investments, what happens is you need to have a will. The nominees need to go to the court, get a succession certificate or a court order, and then deposit it with the bank or the investment company, and then only they will get the proceeds lying in your savings account or the deposits that you have made or your insurance policy claims, if you have not mentioned any nominees there also. Well, what I'm saying is much simpler than what the nominees have to go through in case a nomination is not mentioned on your investments. Right? It is very, very necessary that nomination is not overlooked. Even if you think you have made nominations, it is always advisable that time and again you check and recheck for nominations in all your investment products, in all your investments, be it your savings account or your bank FDs or corporate FDs that you have, or your PPF accounts, insurance policies, mutual funds, any investments that you have. Be sure that you nominate someone. Now, in case you appoint a minor, say your child is not a major still, has not attained 18 years of age, and you appoint your child to be the nominee, in case of minor nomination, you need to have a major person who can be a guardian for that minor nominee. Correct? So these are the details that you should not ignore, you should not overlook, and see to it that after your demise, the wealth that you have accumulated, the investments that you have left for your immediate family members, pass on to them in a smooth fashion. Correct? So please do not overlook this aspect of nomination. Please feel free to contact me in case you have any queries about my video, or leave a comment below the video and I'll be happy to help you. See you in my next video. Thank you.